Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Hi guys, it's Rosettaart and I just wanted to make this video to have a little chat, a little hi and welcome to my music journey, because ever since the videos I've gotten a lot of people who have taken interest in my music in form of followers, supporters, fans even, and I'm like, what? You're a fan of my music? Or you're going to be, I don't know, either way, I'm very grateful for everything that's going on. I really did not think it would get this way, and which is why today I wanted to share a verse from Isaiah 60 verse 22, which says, when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. And this verse says so much to yes, we have our plans and our goals and all that, but at the end of the day, God has the final say. And timatozi and this is into or in a different way. The whole rejection is redirection, rejection is protection, you know. And as one I know in this case, I just wanted to share that. I started writing in 2023, but when it came to posting and all that, then deniamba last year, I believe. If not, yeah, I believe it was last year. And I had a plan. I first released the freestyles. There are 5 of them. And this whole project, Yama Freestyles, I called it Baby Steps. It wasn't going to be like an official release. I was just writing, strengthening my pen game, or you know, how can I navigate this rap thing? You know what, I'm coming up with things and what, it's cool. Let me just do this little freestyle. That's why they are freestyles. There's no particular topic, because you can get the vibe. Good, okay, this freestyle easy. There's nothing. It's not centered on one thing. So after that, I was like, with this, I'll transition from this little Kama project to an EP, then Kumabidan Ogo up until a debut album, right? So, Menendimabanga release. It was layered. It should tell a story, or at least create something of like you're connecting my dots. So the first out of the 5, let me just mention, I've released 4 of those little freestyles. There's one, it's my little surprise for you all, and then you get it my official release. The rest, you know, I'll record it professionally. I wanted to release ya what if Yemwe addressing my fears and, you know, asking myself, what if I actually do it? What if I actually do that and that? And the reason I called it what if, it was addressing my what ifs. What if I do it and it doesn't turn out okay? What if people don't like it? What if people laugh at me? What if I fail publicly? You know, just a lot. I was in my mind, self-doubt, and the says was on Abasi. So I was like, this is the one that should start. It sets like the tone of this whole thing. Yeah? The second one that was after that was bars on bars. Day it's just bars. After conquering cafe, go and they go my bars. After XO, hugs and kisses. I'll say it's the catalyst. Is a snowball effect. Yeah, that one is the third one. Yes, I've done it. I'm sending you love, Basi. Hugs and kisses to all you. Yeah. After it is the 4th one. Yomwe no ndaisunga as a surprise, you know. The fifth one was Rosettaart. Yodi yes I am Rosettaart. So nabezeka ndabanga release. I have bars on bars because it was like my favorite. Yemwe, I felt like it's a solid one. Day I released that. After some time, Bomenan Mabanga ya XO. Likely enough, I guess, Yemwe it caught attention kwambi, which made me release the other ones more body bars. And it's not so bueno kujiza pangidwa release more. I can't say the more balaliga Jufuka it still sets that. It still tells a story in the sense kudinda ambandiyo ya XO where I'm like talking my shit and all that Jenjani. I'm having this bold personality, this who is that Nani? I mean and I come up with what if I'm kind of doing it this whole bold thing and I'm like out there. I have some fears, okay? I did not always have this. To get to here I had to deal with this, my doubts and everything. And Pamasamba Rosettaart almost like solidifying you know, I'm that girl and everything and what this is actually many because I did not think that video would blow up like that. To me, it was like any other video. I should also wait until I work on another one and post that. I just didn't take it that serious. Come on, with the response that I'm getting right now, it's insane. It's crazy. I've been writing. Modi I should actually record it, and I'm cool about it. I like what I've come up with so far. I hope you do as well. If you don't, well, you don't. Or maybe it's the beginning. I'm stepping in. There's a part of me that feels fulfilled and happy that I get to do this, and I will share my music journey with all of you. If you're part of it, I'm going to give you a certain vibe with the talent. So as an artist, what I would like my fans and those who have taken interest in my music to understand is that I am human first before I am an artist. I am human first before I am a woman. I am human first before I am anything. And with that, I would like to create a solid foundation. Kuti nyimbo zanga will not only reflect some of my good moments, some of my good times or my good experiences or the fun times, or like how Ndayambilamu being so out there and outspoken and so bold. Like, that's not just everything about me. There's also songs that will touch on my emotions. Like, there's a project that I have, it's called Diary of a Broken Girl. And before all this, I was about to release that. I guess I had given up on taking that to the studio as well. I had poured in my heart into it, but then I'm like, you know what? It can go. Let me just focus on another project. Inayo ndio mweno ndizaitengele serious enough for also people to take it serious. Mpomono zimachitika izi kuti tima freestyle ranu romwedo. It has grabbed people's attention to a point where now they want more. And what do you have? I just wanted to say, Woody, I'll be releasing all these things and you know what you're liking now, what I've started with. Komaso, I want to share different sides of me, and I feel like I can connect with a lot of people on that level. So you know, music is very spiritual. You can connect with that. You know, there've been points where I can't tell you how I feel, or I can't articulate my words, or so how I'm feeling to you, but I can definitely find a song that puts it all in there. Just music is so powerful, and to me it's more than just vibing. No, sometimes you just want that chilled song, you know, that touches your soul. And you know, I have the ability to connect to people in that way, and I want to do it through music. We have so many talented people here, and I know there are also who are yet to be discovered. And if you are one of them, my underground artist, you know, up and coming artist, hey, Take it from me. For me, I just want to say, really, this is the beginning, because I don't plan on stopping until it's time. I will do my best. I will learn what needs to be learned. I will do what needs to be done, and really work on my craft and everything, all that. Yeah, Rosetta should be a solid name in the industry. By the time I retire from this, I've made a huge impact, and I've influenced people. I've inspired them to do what they want, even if it's music, to do it. Always into Zosiana, whatever their heart desires. I know if Antosiana doing this into Zosiana, and timata kugani ngobanga zinto zifuwa zosiyana yet zofanana, common experiences. So I want to touch on that. If I can help people in that way, let me do it, and I will do it the best I can with it, because it's a gift. But no wonder I'm recognizing on a daily, wow, this is a gift. It's best to use it and we all have our strengths. All I can say is, whatever it is, harness it, work on it, strengthen it, because you never know what or where that will get you. Just focus on it until you get there. Once again, I want to say thank you, and I want you to be part of this music journey, and I'll come up with more. Wouldn't want to say even my writing process. I just want to share a lot with the music, and yeah, Ngadani as a country, this music industry, where can we take it? Because I see Guti Soto Golondilowala. It's just a matter of making it Lowala. So I wish you all a good week. I thank you all and have a great day.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.